good witch.
Gail loves fairy tales, Disney ones of course, but also classics like The Wizard of Oz.
This was signed by Billy Burke, who played Glinda in the movie. So I'll do my Glinda for you. Are you a good witch or a bad witch? Oh, you have no power here. Be gone before someone drops a house on you, too.
Gail's fulfilled a lifetime dream working at Disney World and living in nearby Celebration, the town Disney built. Here you don't have to hide your love of the Magic Kingdom, up to a point.
Happy birthday from your pal Mickey. Oh, this is not an official policy or anything, but it's my impression that it's considered gauche to have too much Disney stuff up in your house if you live in Celebration. It makes you seem like you're, some kind of a freak.
Celebration was Disney's first foray into urban planning. It gave the town and its 4,000 homes a neo-traditional feel with folksy architecture and a family focus. It sold its interests to an investment firm in 2004, but there's still year-round organized fun. Like at Christmas when, despite the Florida heat, it snows.
They shut this street down. This is all snowing. They have a train that goes around the town. It's $5 a ride. They have the horses, the carriage rides.
Yeah, we've been on the horses and the train.
But every hour they have fake snow with like the Disney music.
But picture-perfect order takes work to maintain. Celebration's Resident Owners Association, the closest thing it has to a governing body, patrols properties monthly, making sure regulations are upheld and finding those who don't comply.
If there are weeds growing up through the bushes, it's a no-no. If there's dirt on the walls of the house, it must be power washed. If it gets worn away, then it's time to paint. They're very strict. They want the community to look good at all times.
And for all the trappings of a town, Celebration is not actually a town. It is a housing development with a downtown in corporate hands. Residents vote in a neighboring town since Celebration doesn't have its own political body. But that doesn't trouble people here. It's community, safety, and cleanliness, not democracy, that's kept order in Celebration for 15 years.
The difference here is it's pretty responsive to the people that live here as opposed to most communities where you have a government that really doesn't hear you anyway.
It's like a bubble. It's just amazing. Everyone should have a chance to live in Celebration.
Celebration works because its residents want it to. When they move in, they don't just buy a house, they buy a lifestyle.